Okay then, welcome back to another episode. I think this will be episode 9.5, I think it is. I've already recorded this once before. I've gone through everything I'm about to go through just. I edited it. Went to watch it through on my laptop before I put it up online, and something I'd messed with this GoPro. Changed the setting and it wasn't compatible on the laptop, so annoyingly after a few words I have to scrap it all and start again. So here we are, famous saying coming up. As you can see, I now have two lines running, the inner and the outer. This is now connected up, this section there. Also the opposite side, that's now running. That one now takes the outside and goes through the tunnel. So I'm pleased with that. I've left it running. No problems, no issues yet, as far as I can see. So that's good. Like I say, going back all the way through it again. February half term, I went to, wasn't Bude, can't think where I went now, never mind. And there it was, I found a nice little model shop, bought myself some bits and pieces for my birthday. Well, my lad did. First of all, he bought me, I think it says Oxford Military. It's a motorcycle with a sidecar. The reason he bought me that, he said it looked like Hagrid's motorcycle. So I'll find somewhere for the somewhere for it to go. He also bought me that because he liked the I like Fords, so he saw that and bought me that, which I'm happy with. It will go on eventually. I treated myself to this, the HM6000. I've seen some good things about it. I like the size of where it can go. So hopefully I can fit it underneath the board and get rid of, well, not get rid of, but saves having that massive thing. I'm trying to just minimise what I'm using up on the layout. I also had, which is running around into shot now, and that one. I thought to myself, I need another loco. I said I wasn't going to buy one, but that was a really good offer, and I thought I need something else. I've got that Class 37 going around, pulling the mail. I've got the Lima, the Class 55. Is it a 55? Yeah, that Deltic, that the one that's been sent off and been modified. Hopefully that's all going well. I should get that back soon. And the plan was I'd have the Class 37 running on the outside and the Deltic running around with some coaches. I was going to use these ones, the intercity ones, because what I'm planning on doing, it's going to be like a heritage line basically. You know, we've got one down the road from us, Chasewater, and that's what it's like. They have locos in, fix them up and they keep them. So this will be mine, little heritage line with my village where I live, based on it. So yeah, that was the plan. But then I thought to myself, well, if I need something to pull the freight cars, and I saw that and it cost me £50. It was boxed. It is a, I'm going to zoom in, Fowler 4F BR Black 44027 E-Crest. Now E-Crest, the only thing I can find was early crest. Comments below if you what an early crest is. Is there a late crest? I don't know, a modern crest. I just liked it for the price. And it's a really nice runner. It suits me. Comes again. Lovely. So yeah, that was at the model shop. So along with those few items, he also threw in just a little scrapper. Just the body. There's a couple of wheels missing. There's no engine in it. It's something I could weather up and maybe put down the side of when I have the sheds, the engine shed. It's, you know, a restoration in progress. So that'll be good. The shop details, I will actually put them up. Bideford, that was the one. In Bideford. I knew it started with a B. Yeah, Bideford, and I'll find the details. Nice little model shop. I also did find one of those, which went with the one I already had, which I was going to paint up. Yep, so I was going to do those and have those pulled along with the Class 55. I also found tin parts, this monstrosity. Someone's painted it with gloss yellow. Now I've stripped it down, but unfortunately it went a bit too far. It's maroon and there's 2 gold pinstripes running down, and there was a number right in the bottom corner, but it's gone. So my plans with this, I bought it because if you can just see there's bars on the window. So my plan is to paint it to match those. Now I can pick out this window, the middle window and the end window, and it should match. The mail car. I know I said I have 3 of them knocking around somewhere, so maybe if I just paint this up, if I come across it, I'll have 4, which is a bonus. So that's a project. Other things, bits and pieces. Another model shop I went to in Bridge North, not too far from me. I bought 2 of those. I know they're crimson BR 63 foot Mark 1 coach, corridor, second, I don't know what SK is, crimson, cream and crimson. There was a really good price, so I purchased those 2, and that was the other one. So then I thought to myself, those 2, I could use those to pull the Class 55, to pull those 2. I then have the Steam Loco to pull that, and then I have Class 37 in the mail. That's then, in that section over there, I have all 3. So while one is in the passing loop, one's in this one on the station, and then this one's chugging around doing whatever it's doing. Plan is then I'll come off here and I'll have 2 little sidings down the side, and they can be basically just an extra one, a fiddle yard basically. So those are my finds from February half term. Other things I have done in the house is this place, found them online, 2 seconds, Wordsworth Model Railway, found a load of, found this website, they're free to use, and it was 00, But what I did, I got them in the printer and reduced them down by 50%. Put them onto there, cut them out, stick them onto card, and then cut all the sections out individually on the card, hundreds of pieces, and then make those. And that's what I've been doing in the house, keeping occupied. What I'm going to do is run them, they all interlock. I've got a blob of water on that one which really annoyed me, but that's going to go right up the end. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this wall. This piece of wood I'll mark a line on that, and then I'll transfer these. I'll transfer these onto, stick this, do you know what I mean? I'll put that line onto there, so they gradually go smaller and smaller the further they go up. Now I've marked it roughly, I think I need about 15 each side. And they take me a couple of days to do one. So I'm doing a few, getting bored, coming away, doing something else. But yeah, like I say, this one I'll go right on the very end, so you will actually only use the archway just here, and then I'll do the opposite going up, so on, so forth. Plans are changing down here, I think. Like I say, I don't want these, I need these off the layout. I have on eBay, I won these for £1. And my plan, I was going to put them here somewhere, but they're a bit low, so I don't know what to do there. I may look for another bridge or something, I don't know. But basically drop these right here. Stand up, that's it. Leave it to stand there, and this section which I kept, luckily, I'm going to glue that back onto there. I'm not going to let it go because they'll drop. So that will filled in. This will be filled in then with wood. This will be hollow then. So I can either mount this small box, which is, I think it's just roughly the same size as that. I can either mount that here underneath. I'm looking for some switches or something that I can have, I don't know. Basically I'm going to put a town scene back up onto this section. Onto there, so that's the plans for that. So these will be coming off. The wiring did my head in, really did. That was the other one. I am trying to remember what I put in the last video and then lost. Went to what? Yeah, in a minute. Pardon? On the video? Do you want to come in and be on video? Yeah, wiring up. Where was I? Underneath. Can I get underneath? It's a bit dark. Moved all my trains. Yeah. Can you see it just there? Between the wires? There you go. That copper strand. I went to bare the wires on that one and the whole sheath came off. And top tip, anybody who's going to put dropper wires in, I suggest if you're putting droppers down, bare the wire first and tin the wire first, because trying to do it upside down you need 3 hands. It's so hard. But anyway, I lost it in the end. I just ended up using terminal connectors, as you could see, as you saw. So I ended up cutting a hole, and just there where the silver is, drilling and a hole that side, and putting another dropper wire brand new down. that I'll just glue at an angle. Like that, they're covered with scenery anyway. But really did annoy me, put me back days messing about. Lovely little trains. They do look nice when you look at them archways. This will come down in a sec. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Beavering away doing those arches. I'll put it there. Look. That's the plan with that. Got some new lights put up. 12 to 24 volt off my sister-in-law's boat. And I just hooked them up to an old laptop power source. But they do provide a lot of light. So that is what I've been doing so far. Not much. It's just beavering away doing those little arches. Oh, there you are, camera. See what I'm on. Shoebox. Yeah, that was the other one. This is what I was on about the other day when my neighbour, I mentioned that I'd bought the Fowler off holiday. And he was like, oh, that's a nice loco, what are you doing it in? That says Engage. And he went, oh, fantastic. I was just about to leave to go somewhere, out to my mate's house, that was it. And I heard him coming down the drive, and he had this, what was this? He bought me this shoebox down. I have bought something in 2 seconds. This piece of paper. Oh, just off subject, that's my new find. I found that in the skip. Plasma cutter. And it works. Wicked. Yeah, back to subject. This was in the box. Picture on this side. I opened this up and I was like, blimey, what's all this? And he says, oh, I've had them in my loft. He says, you can have them. I says, what do you mean, have them? He says, do you want any money? And you're like, no. He says, they're just sitting in my loft. And I was took back for words. I didn't know what to say. I was chuffed. Unbelievable. A couple of bits and pieces. Don't know when these are from, the 50s or 60s. A razor blade. A Hornby switch. A signal with a switch and a wire. Ooh. Development then. And I was just flicking through it. A Pico wagon. Most of these are Lima, Schweppes. Got these coaches, which is the ones I was looking for there. Them ones. There's 5 of these, brand new, in a box. Yep, 5 of those. I'm saving that one, I'll show you that one in a sec. A container wagon, look at the price, £1.50. Container wagon, NCB coal, another Schweppes, a London brick. Okay, good condition the boxes are, absolutely amazing. Another NCB coal. Oh, 2 seconds. Got a bridge there. Where did that drop? A Coca-Cola wagon. A car transporter. Two locos. D5518. You paid £8.65. And these work. One's in that box, one's in this box. D5518. Is that the same as that one? Yeah. Minitrix. Oh no, Lima. So yeah, there's the coaches. Back to this one. Drop that in there. This one I couldn't believe it. Look, still in a box, mint condition. It's as yellow as anything. Usually they're faded. The mallard. And it runs absolutely brilliant. The only thing what it is the traction tyre on that back one. When it warms up it becomes loose and comes off, so I need to either get some new traction tyres or just put some sticky on. So I'm absolutely chuffed. I was looking for locos to get running, so now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 locos, 5 including the shunter, 6, 7 including those 2 diesels, a load of rolling stock, and like I say, I was just absolutely shocked he'd walk down and give me these. Massive thank you to him. He didn't want any money for them, but I have given a donation to the Greyhound. He supports old greyhounds, so I gave some money to them. They can buy blankets and food and whatnot. Extra bit of track. He's just asked once I get him up and running to come and show him. But that's where we are so far. There's the this is all in now. I've just got to glue it, that's all. I've left some decent gaps in these because somebody else pointed out some of these joins I've soldered somewhere. Well, nearly all of them. I've soldered these joints. I have left a micro gap, but I've soldered them, so it doesn't really matter. And I was on about with the temperature variation. Am I betting to get the track warping or buckling? There's nothing yet. It's still, I mean, it's 15 degrees outside. It's gone from minus whatever. Track's still straight. There is a buckle in that one, but that's been in there since I put it in. So try and get these changed. And that's where we are, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you leave me some comments on what you'd like to see, I don't know, things running around. I don't know where I'm up to yet. Plans are I'm going to keep plugging away at this wall section. I want to get it done. I think that's the main thing. Once that's done, and then I think the next video I'll show making this section square. I have been looking at some Arduino components, trying to figure out how to get those. I want some, if I can get some push button. I'm considering putting servos, being that I only need 1 there, 2. 3 and 4. I might be able to do that on 1, but 3 and 4, and then however many I need to in that yard. I said I wasn't going to do point motors or nothing, but the solenoids I think are very expensive. The servo option I think it's a lot cheaper, but we'll see. So that's that for now, and I'll update you when I can next. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and thanks again.